What's up, gang? My name is Moniz. I am a professional photographer and filmmaker with a focus on adventure. I teach astrophotography workshops for Samy's Camera and Samy's PhotoSchool. I was born in Hawaii and raised in Makakilo and Wailua. My mother was certainly the connection between the interest that I have for astronomy and the night sky. Growing up on the island, it was a hobby that we both shared together. She, set up the telescope, pointed it toward the sky, and she's like, "Stanley boy, look through the scope." And from then on, I just got so infatuated with the night skies because of my mom. And Halley's Comet was just as bright as the sun in the sky. It was insane. I've been teaching with Samys for about 5 years now, and our first workshop was actually a surf photography workshop in partnership with Aquatech. The workshops I lead are held in dark sky locations, including Joshua Tree National Park, Alabama Hills in Lone Pine, Borrego Springs, and Trona Pinnacles. And I've also taken groups out to shoot the Northern Lights in Fairbanks, Alaska. I love the time I get to spend out here in Joshua Tree creating my art. It is so fulfilling to introduce people to this place when they would never have come out here on their own. It's so fun, just working with the workshops out here and seeing these students or my clients have the same stoke that I did. When I tell them the story about, hey, this is the first tree I've ever shot. What's up, gang? We are here at one of my favorite trees in the park. I've shot this guy for at least 13 years with the snow, with sun stars, with all kind of crazy weather coming through the park. So if you're interested in capturing a night sky or curious about astrophotography or just want to hone in on your photography skills, join me and Samy's PhotoSchool on one of my next workshops. Check us out at samyspphotoschool.com.